Hello guys, we are EAGO Visions. Today we are going to show you how to use the playlist to create our templates and using the control management system. So let's go back to the menu first. Okay, so when we log in, we first go to this playlist page. So in this playlist page is all the templates we put in here. And why we need the templates? Whatever how many monitors are connecting on each players, we all need the templates. We need the templates to input the medias, to input the pictures for each of the players. So after we have templates, we can do the publish on each players. Okay, so let's do the new templates first. So here is the icon, is a new playlist icon. We just push it. Okay, so once we push, this is a single screen layout. Okay, so first we do the settings on the screen layout. Here has an icon with the settings. We just push it here. Then it comes two ways. The first way, we can pick the screen layout from multi-screen player. Well, what does this mean? If you guys remember, there is another videos we introduce how to set in the screen layout from our screen layout designer softwares. Okay, so from there, we already set the screen layout. So from here, we can pick up the layouts from the designer directly. Okay, so this is the first way. And the second way, we can enter the screen layout manually. Okay, but for the screen layout manually here, that is only for the regular screen layout. If you doing the irregular, you always need to pick up the screen layout from here. Okay, so we can enter the screen layout manually. We can set the screen with the landscape or the portrait. Also, we can set the screen LCD monitors resolutions. Also, we can set up the horizontal screen numbers and the vertical screen numbers. Okay. Also, here's one thing that I need to mention is the show cursor. For this one, if you mark this, once you do the display, you will see the mouse here on the screen. Why we need this? Because sometimes if you want to do the reports, like a PDF file or a PPT files, if you want to do a report at the same time, you need a mouse because you need to point where you want to report. So if you want to show this, you can just mark it. Okay. Also, okay. So let's do the screen layouts from here. Let's do 3 for horizontal screen. Then we push OK. So here we come out with 3 screens. Then the green part is the display zone. So we can small the size. Okay. Also, we can create a new display zone from here. New normal zone. Then we'll come on the zone 2. We can use our mouse to move the zone 2 in the second screen. Okay. So each zone, each display zone, we can add up the media file here. So once we push it, we go to the media page. If you guys remember, in other videos, we introduced how to uploading the medias to the server. So all the medias here is already uploading to the server. Okay, so from here, we can pick up the medias we want. So we can pick up the videos. Also, we can pick up some layout from the pictures. Of course, we can pick up more than one pictures. Okay, so we can do some more interesting things. We can do the double layers. So we can create a new zone here. Then we can small the size. We can use the manually to small the size. Okay, but also we can do 16 by 9, 4 by 3, or 1 by 1. Also, we can manually the smaller size, and we can put in the way if you want. Also, we can manually set in the pixels here. Okay, and again, we also need to input the medias. So we can pick up some other things like widgets. Okay, so once we have widgets, we can put it in the corner or in the middle, any places you want. Okay, so once we set up all the things here, we just have to give it a new name. This is very important because once you want to looking for these templates in the next time, this is more easy for you to recognize which one is the one you want to looking for. Okay, so we just give it a new name. Then we push save. Alright, so this template is saved in the template page. Okay, then once we set up this, we can do publish. Okay, so for the publish, the first thing is that we need to choose the group. So we just push this item, add up the group. Okay, so for this is the player page. If you remember, we have another video introduced about the player page. For the player page, we have a group management. So from here, we need to pick up the groups that which we want to display. Also, we can pick up 2 groups or 3 groups in the same time. So we can do the publish at the same time. Okay, so but right now we need only 1 groups. So we need this one. We just add up here. Then we choose the playlist type. We have 3 playlist type. The first is the default playlist. This is for 24 hours running display. And so if you didn't change anything, you were running again and again every day, every year. Okay. The second is the publish in schedule. For the schedule, you can set up the start dates or end dates, and also the time. For hours, minutes, seconds, end time is the same. Okay, and the third way is the spot list. Why we need a spot list? Once you have a schedule and you want to stock something into the schedule, you need to have to use spot list. Okay, so for the spot list, it's the same way. You have to set in the start date and the end dates, also the start time and the end times. Okay, so right now we just show, so we use this default playlist. That is fine. So we can do publish, then it's done. Okay, so here we already setting up our templates here, so we can use this to show. We set up the different playlist zones here with 2 widgets on the display zone, and also here is one thing interesting is the tickers. Okay, for the tickers, we can set up the text or RSS URL. If you want to do the text, it's very easy. You just type any words you want here. And for RSS, if you're looking for some news website, there's very easy for you to looking for RSS URL. Once you found that, just copy the URL and pass here. Then this way we'll run the tickers directly. Okay, and also we have a remote here. The videos. Okay, so once we set up everything here, we give it a name and we push save. Then we do publish. We choose the players. Then we do the default playlist. Then we do publish. Okay, so let's go back to the display page. Okay, so let's go back to the player and see what will happen. So as you can see, when we go back to the player, everything is already arranged. So the zones here, we already setting up. And here is the RSS news, they will run here. And also this one is the home page, is the web page for the flashes that we download directly. So every zone you can exchange yourself, and also you can modify the zone's size for yourself. So this is how we do the templates for the playlist. If you want to know more information about our CMS or how to use in our models, you can go to visit our website in www.eagovisiontech.com. And also you can write an email if you have any questions. I will be very glad to reply you any answer. We are EAGO Vision. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you.